Hello friends, today I'm going to tell that how to install the OPPO Find X9 Pro animated wallpaper on your Android. So at first you have to tap on the links given in description. If you have a high-end device, tap on those links mentioned for high-end device. These checks your browser, so wait for a few seconds and then scroll down and tap Generate Download Link. Wait for 12 seconds and then tap on Go to Generated Link. Scroll down and tap Download Now. Then tap Download Anyway. Install this app named Activity Launcher from Play Store. Go to your file manager and tap on APK section. Install all of the downloaded wallpaper APKs. I'm fast forwarding, it will save your time. After the installation, go to Activity Launcher and tap All button that is at the bottom left. Then search for Live Wallpaper. Tap on the activity, tap on Live Wallpapers and launch the activity. Then you can see a lot of OPPO Find X9 Pro wallpapers. Set the wallpaper for home and lock screen that you prefer. I'm checking all the wallpapers. Subscribe for more helpful tutorials.